Hi, this is English for Beginners Lesson 23.
مرحبا بك معنا في هذا الفيديو أين سنرى معا معنى واستعمالات كلمة
must
والتي تعني يجب وأحيانا لا بد. الآن سنرى 5 استعمالات لهذه الكلمة مع أمثلة. أولا تستخدم كلمة must لقول أنه يجب القيام بشيء ما بسبب قاعدة.
I must pay the rent on time. I must pay the rent on time. You must pay the fine within 30 days. You must pay the fine within 30 days. You must get a visa to get into the UK. You must get a visa to get into the UK. You must have collateral to get a loan. You must have collateral to get a loan. Drivers must respect traffic lights. Drivers must respect traffic lights. All luggage must be scanned before getting on the plane. All luggage must be scanned before getting on the plane.
ثانيا تستخدم لإظهار أنه من الضروري أو المهم جدا أن يحدث شيء ما في الحاضر أو المستقبل.
I must get some sleep. I must get some sleep. You must be there on time. You must be there on time. She must see a doctor. She must see a doctor. He must get a job soon. He must get a job soon. Chicken must be cooked thoroughly. Chicken must be cooked thoroughly. We must take him to the hospital right now. We must take him to the hospital right now. Young children must be accompanied by an adult. Young children must be accompanied by an adult.
ثالثا تستخدم كلمة must لقول أننا ننوي بشدة القيام بشيء ما في المستقبل.
I must tell her the truth. I must tell her the truth. You must get that promotion next year. You must get that promotion next year. He must try again. He must try again. She must get a job in the summer. She must get a job in the summer. The house must be ready by the winter. The house must be ready by the winter. We must go and see her as soon as possible. We must go and see her as soon as possible. They must go to the police. They must go to the police.
رابعا إذا استخدمنا كلمة must لإخبار شخص آخر أنه يجب أن يفعل شيئا لطيفا ما، فإننا نؤكد أننا نعتقد أنه من الجيد القيام بذلك الشيء.
You must watch this film. You must watch this film. You must listen to this song. You must listen to this song. You must taste this dessert. You must taste this dessert. Yum. You must subscribe to this channel. You must subscribe to this channel. You must go and see the pyramids. You must go and see the pyramids. We must meet up soon. We must meet up soon.
خامساً، نستخدم كذلك كلمة must لإظهار أن شيئاً ما محتمل جداً أو مؤكد.
He lives alone. He must be very lonely. He lives alone. He must be very lonely. His job is very boring. He must be fed up. His job is very boring. He must be fed up. Her operation is soon. She must be scared. Her operation is soon. She must be scared. Her sleep is broken. She must be exhausted. Her sleep is broken. She must be exhausted. They can't contact their son. They must be worried. They can't contact their son. They must be worried. They just got married. They must be happy. They just got married. They must be happy. Thank you all very much for watching. Your support is really appreciated. Until next time, take care.
إلى اللقاء في فيديو آخر إن شاء الله.